With this video, we would like to show you how to use mobile management tool for the housekeeping and task operations. After opening the ElektraWeb through browser and logging into the program, main screen will be displayed. First one is the task screen. All tasks assigned to this user will be displayed. From this part, we may see all the tasks or filter specific ones according to the desired options. With click on this button, we will go back to the previous screen. When I, as an assigned user, start to work on this related task, I should click on this Start button. We can also manage these tasks by clicking on Cancel or Finish button, depending on which operation we would like to perform. With the plus button found in the bottom of this screen, we may add the new task. Second screen is the Maid screen. All the rooms that are supposed to be cleaned today by this maid are displayed on this screen. In the title of each of these boxes, room number, occupancy, and cleanliness status is displayed. Red-colored rooms are occupied, while available rooms are in green color. Here on this screen, we can arrange a checklist. If we have prepared such checklist based on the characteristics of this room, items will be added here and maid staff can use them during the operation. In the first row of the room screen, we may see the number of adults and children information as well as the guest's name. In the next field, we can see the room notes. We can add the desired note to this room. This clock here shows the time when we started to clean the room. After we click on the Finish button and after slash sign, another time, Finish time, will be added to this room. From this part, we can see the notes entered by the front office department. With the button on the side screen, we can change the room status into close or maintenance. This operation can be done from this screen and not solely for today, but it can also be done for a certain date in the future. In this segment, room status is shown. In this way, we can follow whether this room is empty, on expected arrival or departure, and other reservation or in-house statuses. If this guest is on the expected arrival and on queue, this first symbol here will turn red. This statuses in the low bar, if they're red, it means they're applicable. If these are gray, it means they're not. From the current example, we may see whether this room is on queue or whether it has a task open. By clicking on this task symbol, we can see how many tasks are there. Birthday, VIP statuses, laundry, cleaning, day use room status, Legionella control, planned room change. All of these will be displayed in this segment. Finally, we can see whether this guest is the repeat one and how many times he/she came to our hotel property. When starting with the room cleaning, we click on the Start button and automatically the cleaning start time is displayed. In the next field, operations done with this room are listed. From here, we can see and mark the arrangements we did. From the status screen, we can change the room status into dirty, clean, or confirmed. The moment we click on the Finish Task button, room will automatically change the status to clean. However, in case user wants to manually change this status, this option is also available. Another screen from here is the Lost and Found screen. The list of currently lost and found items in the property is displayed. From this screen, we can also add a new lost and found item if necessary, while also being able to follow the existing ones. Here there is also a screen related to guests. For example, when we first open it, in-house guest information will be displayed. If desired, we can filter these guests based on their reservation statuses. Next is the Comments screen. From this screen, we can also list and follow all the comments left by the guests. Again, we can use different parameters to filter these comments. With the plus button, we can add new one. Finally, in the reservation part, we can see details about reservation records, whether these are in-house, unexpected arrival, departure, etc. Room Rec screen is the same screen used by the front office department, and from here we can see the cleanliness statuses of the room and use additional filtering options.